follow streams, one life, one chance comes.
Today we are on the island of Corsica, which is a French island off the coast of Italy, and we are in the town of Bastia. We're in the main square and we're in front of a statue of Napoleon, which has some interesting background.
Yeah, and the interesting information about that statue, it sat in the artist studio for 50 years. And just before the artist died, he suggested that the statue be sold to the city in honor of Napoleon. And his heirs actually did that. So whatever the reason was that it sat in his studio, maybe like many artists, maybe he felt it wasn't good enough, or maybe it was commissioned and never got paid for it. But whatever the case, it's a beautiful statue. I wish the artists were alive and able to see his statue finally erected.
It looks like that our ship is under attack by the French Navy. Bastia is Corsica's second largest city and the former capital. It's on this beautiful Mediterranean island of glorious beaches, ragged mountains, and entrancing azure seas. The colorful waterfront buildings cluster attractively around the old port's harbor. You see the familiar bell tower of St. John the Baptist, and there's a skyline guiding any fishy boats home. We enjoyed walking around the relaxed waterfront cafés, especially in the main park. Lovely little breeze, and we enjoyed our day walking around the city center.
To the devils, to the triumphs, to the hopes of the fatherland. These statues are riddled all over Europe, and this island had several. One of them we came across was this beautiful statue. They always hold tribute to their past, to the people who have died before them and the fatherland. We ran across this unique shop, and I went inside to take a look. And you would find every type of beautiful wines, vinegar, oils, cheeses, salamis, everything that a wonderful Italian loves. And I'm surprised Richard didn't take half the store with him. But we had just had breakfast, and so he was full, so there was no interest at the moment.
A little about Corsica, the island. It's a rugged, mountainous island in the Mediterranean Sea, and it's one of the 18 regions of France. It's located southeast of the French mainland. It's west of the Italian peninsula and just north of the Italian island of Sardinia. And it's known for its dramatic and diverse landscapes. It features stunning coastlines, pristine beaches, dense forests. Unfortunately, we didn't get all the way inland, but we did stay along the coast and see the downtown area. But despite being part of France since 1768, Corsica retains a distinct, fiercely independent cultural identity, including its own traditional language, its music, and its cuisine that blend French and Italian influences. And of course, as we previously saw, it's most famous historically as the birthplace of Napoleon Bonaparte, who was born in the capital city in 1769. The island is also referred to as the Isle of Beauty. It is a unique blend of spectacular scenery, historical heritage, and strong local traditions.
YOLO Adventure. Live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams, one life.
Thank you
one
for
chance,
watching, and as
come
always, hit that
explore.
subscribe button, that notification bell, and see all the videos we have coming in the future. Thank you.
YOLO Adventure! YOLO Adventure!
Stars reach for the sky.